you know the average 9-to-5 dads, moms, and college students are making $2,000 to $6,000 a month? Now make sure to stay until the end because I'm going to show you how to start your very own passive online business within 72 hours or less, which has allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job, travel the world anytime I want, and spend precious time with my wife and kids. And I know this may sound too good to be true, but we've already helped more than 40,000 people start their online businesses from complete scratch. Now, this is Eddie. He decided to join my affiliate marketing course about a year ago and with a 9-to-5 job and go all in with this passive online business. Now, this is Teresa. Teresa recently quit her 9-to-5 job. Now she has complete financial and time freedom. More importantly, now she has the time to do the things that she loves. For example, she loves being with her horses, she loves being outdoors, and she loves spending time with her family. Sergio worked as a school teacher who hated his 9-to-5 job and now is able to earn passive income using this exact same system. And he doesn't have to stress about going to work or dreading getting up for the next day. Sergio was able to quit his 9-to-5 job and now does this full time. Now you may be thinking to yourself, what is so special about these people? How are they getting these types of results? The answer is they are not special at all. They are simply average, everyday people with jobs, kids, and dreams to live a life of full financial, time, and location freedom. But they discovered the blueprint to start generating income online every single month. And the best part is they don't deal with customers, fulfillment, support, or anything technical. They don't even have a product or service to offer. So here's how I'm going to help you set this up in just 72 hours or less. In phase 1, I will teach you the powerful blueprint that made me 7 figures in commissions as a complete beginner. This allowed me to leave my 9-to-5 job in just 9 months. In phase 2, I will build out the passive income business step by step in front of you and even give you all the resources you need to copy my exact system in just one click. And in phase 3, I'm going to show you the traffic roadmap to unlock unlimited customers to your offers without even paying for ads. And more importantly, how to start getting results quickly. If not, I will simply just give you your money back. And there's literally no risk because I'm even going to show you how to build out this whole system out 100% free. I know that may sound crazy and even impossible, but in the next few minutes, I want to prove to you how you can start generating income with nothing but a phone, laptop, and internet connection. I want you to look at this. Last month, I made over $30,000 implementing exactly what I'm going to show you in this 72-hour challenge. Hello, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and just about me. I started out just like some of you. I was a frustrated parent, hated my 9-to-5 job. I was in debt and sick and tired of not feeling fulfilled in my life. I started my online business with negative $1,200 in my bank. I was completely broke and had no skills starting out. I got married to my beautiful wife, Alicia, who married me when I literally had nothing. We lived in a mice-infested trailer home for the first few years of our marriage, which was honestly the lowest point of our lives. I then told myself I would do whatever it takes to get out of this awful situation. That's when I started my journey trying to figure out how to start making money online from home. Now, unfortunately for me, I spent thousands of dollars and wasted years of time figuring out how these gurus online were making these large commissions. And I seriously tried everything from crypto, stocks, Forex trading, Amazon FBA, eBay drop shipping. I did door-to-door sales, MLM. Seriously, I lost count. I almost gave up after so much failure, but I finally found the answer after spending thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours of wasted time. But I found the golden ticket to freedom. Freelance digital marketing. It's so simple. All you do is sell other people's proven products online for a commission. Now, Now, the reason why it's the easiest and simplest way to start making money online is because you don't have to deal with inventory, support, you don't have to sell anything, you don't have to ship products, or you don't have to create your own products as well. Okay, so this is how it works. The first thing we need to do is go find a product people are already buying and people already want. Number 2, we need to build a stupid simple website called a funnel. And then number 3, we then go find people that already want these products, and we then become the middleman. Essentially, we are now getting paid to promote these already proven products that these people already want. Once we have built out the 3 steps, now all we need to do is focus on getting people to our funnel or our simple site. Now, this is something that we give you in the challenge. After that, they will then go to step number 3, which is the offer we are then promoting, and we will get commissions for every sale we get. Cha-ching. Now, this is where the magic happens. In step 2, we are then able to collect our own email addresses, which allows us to build our own personal asset, which is our email list. And as you can see, I have built my list to over 350,000 people. Now, the email list allows us to follow up with people and allows us to make more money with more affiliate products. And that's it. It's super simple. So how is this challenge going to work? I want to introduce the 72-hour freedom challenge. Now, during this challenge, I'm going to show you exactly from A to Z how to build your freelance digital marketing business from complete scratch. And more importantly, I'm going to give you the products you need. I'm going to give you the funnels, and I'm going to give you the lead magnets so you can literally copy and paste inside of your business. You should have a business up and running in 72 hours or less. So what are you actually going to get in this challenge? Well, number 1, you're going to get instant access to the 72-hour challenge training. Number 2, you're going to get one-click access to my exact funnels and websites. Now, remember, I'm going to show you how to access all these softwares 100% free. You don't even have to pay. Number 3, and this is a big one, you're going to get access to a white label free course that you can use as your own. Number 4, you're going to get over 30 plus done for you emails that convert. That means you can start emailing your list as soon as you build out this system. And number 5, you're going to get support from our 20,000 plus online community. So if you get stuck, if you have any questions, you could simply post on our online community and people will come to help you as fast as 10 minutes. So now the next step is to simply get started. There's going to be a link down below to get started with the 72-hour freedom challenge. So make sure to lock in your seats down below and get started on the path to financial and time freedom. Now let's go over some frequently asked questions. The first one is, do I need to pay for any additional software to build out this business and system? And the answer is not at all. Although we do recommend some software that does cost money, we now have an alternative software to get your business up and running that will cost you literally nothing, not even a credit card to get started. The next one is, will I get lifetime access to the recordings? Yes, there's no time limit at all. You can access the recordings anytime you want. The next question is, what if I have nothing to sell? And that's totally okay, because the purpose of the freelance digital marketing model is we're promoting other people's products. So inside of the challenge, we're going to help you find the best and proven products to start making money. Now, the next question is, what if I don't have any experience, business knowledge, tech skills, or products? Will this work for me? And yes, of course, you don't need any prior experience or products. We're going to teach you the skills, and the tech is very minor since we're going to give you the pages and the websites with a click of a button. The next question is, will this work if I have no following at all? And absolutely, I'm going to show you how to build a following from complete scratch and without having to pay for ads. And the next one is, will I have to show my face or use my voice? Now, I do recommend it, and I believe it's going to help you grow your business a lot quicker. However, it's not necessary for your success, and we still have hundreds of people not using their face and their voice, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So I'm excited to have you inside of the 72-hour freedom challenge. There's a link down below to get started, and we'll see you inside the community. God bless.